Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Today's February the 28th. I know you can hear me. February the 28th, 2025. Coming to you from international, global, galactic headquarters. Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 sent me a YouTube video by John Denver. My bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Not quite, I've got a couple hours yet. It's early in the morning, but my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Man, I love this place. The sights, the sounds, even the smells. I'm near a park, and you can just kind of smell like the wet grass and the dirt. I love it. So, in the song by John Denver, it says that he's leaving, but he doesn't know when he's coming back. Like, I'm leaving on a jet plane, I don't know when I'll be back again. That's not the case with me. I know when I'm coming back. Before I leave, I always know when I'm coming back. So anyhow, I shouldn't say with a heavy heart, but love this place, have lots of friends. And I don't want to say I'm trying to make a difference in the world, but I guess I'm trying to make a difference in the world. And without sounding I guess I still have the belief that you can make the world a better place. A handshake is free. A smile is free. People think like, well, you know, go volunteer somewhere. Go volunteer at 2 places. But man, I gotta believe that we could change the world one person at a time. I gotta believe that. I do believe that. I just met a lady over here and I said good morning. She gave me a big smile. It doesn't take much. Oh, Crypto Mentor 99, you're idealistic. You can't change the world. Maybe I can't change the world, but I may come in contact with 5, 10, 15 people today. I'm gonna change the world for them. I'm gonna show that American is kind, is generous, is sympathetic, is empathetic. So, I don't know, I'm starting to ramble. Yeah, anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. I'm helping change the world, man. I got to be involved in something that's bigger than me. Sometimes we have like horse blinders on and we only see what we want to see, what's right in front of us. And that is definitely not me. You know, some people are so inward. Man, I'm rambling now. Some people are so inward focused that all they think about is themselves, their problems, their miseries, and I get it to a certain extent. I do a little bit of whining myself, whining and crying to Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99. But at some point, you just got to stop it. You know what I'm saying? You got to look to the other person. How could I serve the other person? How could I encourage that other person? Yeah, usually somebody that's super self-centered is not someone that I'm going to hang around with. Just saying. Anyhow, I'm rambling. I don't even know what I've said the last 4 minutes and 35 seconds, but Crypto Mentor 99, I'm leaving on a jet plane. Love y'all. Bye-bye.